Welcome to Backbone Radio, your solution for Internet radio broadcast and automation. This is the first in a series of videos on the operation of the software. This one is on installation and configuration. You will receive an email from us with the subject, Backbone Radio 30-Day Demo. Open this email. This email provides you with some background on the capabilities of the product and a link to a Mac OS X disk image. Click that link to download. In your download directory, there should be a file titled something like radio.dmg. Open this image. As it is opening, it brings up the Backbone software license. Click Agree to continue. This opens the disk image. With the disk image directory open, look for two files, On-Air Display and On-Air Studio. Mark these files and drag them to your application directory. Open the application directory and look for these two files, On-Air Display and On-Air Studio. Since this is your broadcast studio, you will want these applications always available. Drag them to your dock. Backbone Radio was designed as a zero-config application. Your application should already be configured. The first application you must open is On-Air Studio. As it opens, it warns you that it has been downloaded from the Internet. Click Open. This starts your first session of On-Air Studio. You have completed your installation and configuration of Backbone Radio. Watch for more videos on how to operate Backbone Radio, your solution for Internet radio broadcast and automation. For more information, visit us at www.backbone.com. Send us email at info@backbone.com, or come see us at an upcoming convention.